Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us go on morning walk. Later I'll carry you soon in a journey of new story, finding strength in adversity. So now let's go! In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two old friends, Alex and Ian. They had known each other for over 60 years, their friendship weathering the trials of life. Both had raised families, worked hard and seen the world change around them, yet their bond remained unbreakable. In their twilight years, they often sat together in the village square, sharing stories of the past, but life has always had more challenges to offer. One fateful year, Alex lost his wife due to illness, and shortly after, Ian's health began to deteriorate. As their bodies grew weaker, so did their spirit. For the first time in their lives, the two men felt the heavy weight of despair. Alex, still grieving the loss of his wife, and he withdrew himself from the world. His once bright eyes now carried the sadness of loneliness, and he stopped joining Ian in the square. Ian, struggling with his own frailty, missed his friend dearly. He knew that grief had taken hold of Alex, but he also understood that they both needed the strength to survive this difficult time. One day, Ian, despite his weakened state, hobbled to Alex's home. Knocking on the door, he found his friend sitting in the dark and lost in thought. Ian, determined to lift his friend's spirit, pulled a chair beside him and said, "Alex, we have faced storms before. You have always been the stronger one pulling me through. Don't let this be the end of your flight." Alex looked at Ian, tears welling in his eyes. "I don't know how to go on, Ian. I feel like I lost everything." Ian placed his hand on Alex's shoulder and said softly, "You haven't lost me, and I haven't lost you. We may be old and our bodies may be failing, but the strength we need is not in our muscles. It's in our hearts. We have survived in every challenge because we faced them together." Alex nodded, comforted by his friend's words. That day marked a turning point for them both. Despite their grief and physical ailments, they decided to face their struggle head-on. They started taking daily walks, slowly at first, and encouraging each other to keep moving. Each step, though painful, but was a reminder that they still had life left to live. As the day passed, the two men grew stronger, not in the body but in the spirit. They leaned on each other for strength, sharing pain and hope in equal measure. Their walks became longer, their conversation deeper, and together they found a way to carry on despite the weight of their losses. Through their friendship, Alex and Ian discovered that adversity, though painful, could also be a source of inner strength. They learned that as long as they had each other, they could face whatever life threw on their way, no matter how difficult. In last moral of the story is, true strength is not found in the absence of hardship, but in the ability to endure and rise above it. Friendship can be a powerful source of resilience, helping us to find strength even in the darkest time. In adversity, we discover our true capacity to persevere as long as we lean on those who walk beside us. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I am your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no takebacks. The hole in your chest, that's payback. Payback, yeah, you better take that. You could call me selfish, you critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't want that. This might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback.